Hi guys, this is Alberto again, and in this short video, we'll go through the updated process of setting up a standalone Moonbeam node that only works in your local environment. This is the first step to be able to play around with the Ethereum functionality of Moonbeam. So let's get started. The first step is to clone the tutorial v2 tag from the PureStake Moonbeam GitHub repository. You can find the links in the video description. Once everything is cloned, head into the newly created Moonbeam folder. Let's get substrate and all these prerequisites by executing the following command. This also installs Rust. I'll fast forward and I'll see you in a bit. Before we build the node, let's do some checks by running the init script. This verifies that you have the correct Rust nightly toolchain and WASM. And lastly, we can build our node. For this version, we first head into the node standalone folder. In here, run the command cargo build -- release. If you see an error saying that the cargo command was not found, don't worry. Add Rust to your system path by running the following command and try again. The process takes around 30 minutes, so I'll speed things up. Now it's time to start your local Moonbeam node. To do so, execute the Moonbase standalone file inside the target release directory with the --dev flag. You should see some information in the terminal and blocks start being produced. With the node running, open your Explorer and go to the Polkadot JS Apps website with the URL shown on the screen. By default, this is connected to the Polkadot mainnet. To change this, click on the top left corner logo, navigate down to the Development tab, and click on Local Node. This is automatically configured to the WebSocket RPC endpoint. And lastly, hit the switch button. After a few seconds, you will see Polkadot JS Apps connected to your local Moonbeam node, which is producing blocks. And that is it. Now you have a standalone Moonbeam node to start developing in your local environment. For more information on this tutorial and more videos, make sure you visit our website. And feel free to reach out to us in our Discord channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.